Hey you guys, it's Amy, and today I want to introduce you to my latest toy, my GoPro Hero 9. Can you see it? Just so that you know, it's not an unboxing video because I am much too impatient to ever get a new camera in the mail and not play with it right away. So if you're curious about the boxing, it comes in a box, and inside the box is a camera. There you go. Talk about GoPro Hero 9, okay? I've been slow to fall in love with GoPro, but I love this one. I love it, okay? So I started with like a Hero 5, I think, even before it was waterproof, and that didn't work for me. Then I just kind of ignored GoPro for a long time, and I bought a Hero 7, which was fine. Then I upgraded to the Hero 8, which I still have. That's this here. And we'll compare those two, and I'll talk to you about what I love about it. So I said I wasn't going to do an unboxing video, but I'll show you. This is what it comes in the box. Inside the box this time, it includes this little container, which has everything. It had the camera and this case, okay, which actually, there's my edge from my bike. And this is actually super handy. So I'm a big fan of it. Thank you, GoPro. I brought this as a size comparison. This was my previous favorite Go action thing. This is an ancient camera. This is the Olympus Tuffy. It's a great little camera. I love it. Okay, so one of the things that I have done, one of the reasons I upgraded to the 8 was that they changed it. They built in these little grippers on the bottom. This is how GoPro attaches to all of the accessories that let you put it in all kinds of places. And it used to be that you used to have to put it in a case and attach the case to the thing. And that was a hassle. And now so I upgraded to the 8, which they built that right in, and I promptly started using it much more, but not as much as I use it now. I made 2 shifts, one of which is that I finally figured out that I should be using it for video, not stills, even though it does a great job of that. It's primarily for video. And also, so I started doing more video. That was a big thing. And also change that I made was that I decided to embrace the wonderful world of GoPro accessories. This is a small number of GoPro accessories I have bought recently, and I'll take you through them. There's one that's not pictured here that I love very, very much. Okay, but this is the 9. Okay, it's a little bit bigger than the 8. There is the 8 right below it. It's a teeny tiny bit bigger. The way GoPro turns on, this is the 8, this is the 9, this is the power button on the side, okay? It's going to be unclear a little bit on the video, but the button on the 9 is slightly raised, okay? Slightly raised, and you can feel it from the texture. It is a terrific addition. They added this front preview screen, which for me is awesome. I absolutely love it. I'll turn it on. You can see me. Okay, so we'll turn it on. Power's on with a little 9, right? And there is the front preview screen. So it's showing me. Hello. That's to me, that is a thing. And actually when I ordered this, I was watching a video, Casey Neistat, and he talked about the front preview screen, and I was like, take my money, I'm gonna order it right now. So this is the Tuffy. This is an old camera. This also had a little bit of video, but it was an older camera. This is just size comparison of how big they are, right? So there's the 8, there's the 9. So now let's talk about accessories. Things that I love that I have bought with my GoPro 9, okay? And things that I bought that I don't love. All right. Chesty mount. Pretty good. I used it underwater and everything like that. Very good. Wore it on my tri-bike. Terrible angle. Not pictured here. I did buy the bike mount accessory, which I love so much that I don't even have the box anymore. Totally awesome. Works perfectly. Nice thing. Suction mount. Fantastic. Super happy with that. Joby little grabby bendy tripod. Fantastic. Jaws, these grab onto things. There's the mount. Very, very strong. I thought I broke it the other day because I bent it so far that I popped it apart, but I was able to put it back together. This is pretty awesome. It's big and bulky, but it works like a charm. I finally bought a battery charger. This is the GoPro battery charger. Up until the time that I had this, I was just plugging the camera in to charge it, which was super cumbersome and wasn't working, and I didn't even realize they had a battery charger. But now I'm very happy I have 2 batteries, and so on and so forth. And this is the accessory that I don't like, and I'm not keeping, partly because it is sized for the Hero 8, which is not going to be my primary GoPro. But this is the floaty. Don't use it, don't like it, not using it. I will tell you another thing that I absolutely love about the GoPro, the new thing they have GoPro Plus, which is a subscription. Normally, I'm not a fan of things like this. I think they're kind of a ripoff, but the GoPro Plus subscription is awesome, and you should definitely get it. So now, I don't know if they call it GoPro Plus anymore. They might just say subscribe to GoPro. But when you subscribe, you get unlimited storage, which is a huge deal. Really, really great. And you also get insurance and a discount on accessories. Good stuff. Okay. This is the 8, very good camera. This is the 9, new favorite GoPro. Ta-da, that's my review.